That's pretty. What is that?
It's a Parshis.
A Parshis?
Yeah. If you want me to make a Parshis, you have to let me wash it off, the paint wash it off.
Oh, what is a Parshis?
It's like a moon.
It's like a moon? Oh.
I'm making a Parshis moon.
Oh, I see.
If you want to make a Parshis moon, you have to let me wash the paint off.
Okay.
If you want me to make a Parshis, you have to let me get the paint off.
Okay.
When I'm done, I'm almost done with the Parshis. Moto, did you rip that?
No.
What?
Did I rip it?
No, that.
Oh, yeah, that one I ripped. It was an accident. I won't do it again. Let me move this so I can see what colors you're getting.
Make sure you don't break it.
Why would you think anyone would care? Excuse me? I had shoes like yours once. When I was 5.
And that was what, like 3 days ago?
Try 3 years.
Oh, excuse me, Thumbelina. But you're still a little underage to be going out clubbing, aren't you?
Y'all done?
No, not yet.
Okay, I'm going to turn off the movie, though.
No!
Okay, I'm sorry.
Don't turn off the music.
You brought your own person of soap?
Hey, you want to pick up bacterial meningitis or polio? You go ahead and be my guest. Whatever disease
It's a very pretty picture. I like it a lot.
Yeah. The Parshis tenant.
What?
The Parshis tenant.
What's a Poshi's tenet?
Parshis tenant.
Oh, Tanot? What does that mean?
I mean a rope.
A rope?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you can take it off.
Okay. That was really nice.